this is your first a2newtech. Who has not been to an a2newtech before? Oh, wow, this is great. Okay, so this is an incredibly informal event designed to let area entrepreneurs send out their message to the community, and then also the community give those area entrepreneurs a bunch of feedback about their startup idea, and sort of, help each other learn, basically. The format is that we have 4 presenters tonight. Each presenter has 5 minutes to sort of give their pitch, talk about their company, their technology, whatever they want to talk about. And then there's a 5-minute Q&A with the audience. During the Q&A, we encourage you to be respectful, but firm. Please don't feel like, I don't want to step anyone's toes here. If there's something that you feel strongly about, do not be afraid to make your opinion be heard. And then also, there will be a section for community announcements. So anyone who has community announcements pertaining to the Ann Arbor tech community, either engineering side or this side, please get those ready. Okay, and then to start us off, we have, let's see here, Jordan presenting on Backstitch, your personal web.
First, I want to just thank Zach for inviting me to come speak here this evening. My name is Jordan Warzeka, and I'm the co-founder of Backstitch. And what Backstitch is essentially it's a new style interface for managing your personal web. So to start, just a little bit about us. We are a bootstrapped husband and wife team. We had just launched our MVP just 4 weeks ago today. And since then, we've actually had some great feedback. We've been featured on TechCrunch, Niblets, and several other blogs and sites. So the problem that we're trying to solve is that we feel that the usability of the web is broken. So the web's been around for about 20 years, and in that time it's gotten more and more complex, yet really the way we interact with it hasn't really changed much. And so what we did is we focused on 3 main issues that we thought really would help improve how we use the web today. So the first issue is that information is fragmented. So our daily routine consists of jumping from site to site or app to app just to consume all the content that we care about in a day. The other issue is that layouts are inconsistent. So every website displays content uniquely. So essentially, every website we visit is like learning a new user interface. The other is that while there's so many great complementary services, they're really isolated from easily communicating with each other. So for example, if I'm looking at, say, a travel deal, and I want to look at upcoming flight times or past reviews, I might have to go to 2 or 3 other websites, copying and pasting information between them. So how do we solve this? Well, with Backstitch, we built a process that we like to call semantic labeling. And so what that does is it sits on top of existing developer APIs and then provides meaningful definition for otherwise disparate data. And so with that, we built a common user experience. So some of the features of Backstitch, as you can see, is we provide an at-a-glance dashboard, so you can see what's going on right now for all your favorite sites. We have type-based filtering, so if you say you want to see a travel deal, but you only want to see those that go to Toronto under $200, or you want to build curated lists of only seeing photos from certain individuals on certain networks, you can do that very easily. Backstitch also automatically curates content based on type rather than its origin, so you can have all your news feeds in a kind of timeline fashion. You can see all your status updates across different social networks all together. And then even daily deal sites, you can see them in just one location. So another feature of Backstitch is we provided a clean and consistent UI toolkit. So no matter if you're looking at different articles from different news sites or photos from different social networks, different daily deals, they'll always be displayed very similar and very consistent regardless of where they came from. Another feature of Backstitch is since Backstitch understands information going in and out of services more than just raw data, it understands, okay, this is a product, so it has shipping information and a manufacturer. It can automatically provide certain actions. So here's an example. Say I'm looking at this Roomba here on Woot, and being an Amazon Prime subscriber, I want to see, how much is it if I just went and bought it on Amazon. So Backstitch understands, okay, I've got a product here, what services can accept the product? So without even leaving the page, I can do things such as compare against Amazon. You can also share it all your social networks, your Facebook, app.net, LinkedIn, and so forth. And since Backstitch knows only the services that you care about, you're not going to see 100 different social networks. If I only care about Twitter and Facebook, I'm not going to see a LinkedIn button, I'm not going to see a Pinterest button. And so what's next for Backstitch? So currently, we're looking at raising our seed investment round so that we can really build and grow our product. We're working right now on improving our scaling. Right now, we're processing over 21,000 feeds every 10 minutes, and we're storing well over 1 gigabyte of data every single day. We've been receiving some amazing feedback the last several weeks, so we're working on really reorganizing some of our feature set, seeing where certain things aren't very clear, and really kind of cleaning up things a little bit. And then we've also started to begin on building our mobile user experience. We want to really have the best possible experience no matter what device you're on. So we're really putting focus into a separate web versus mobile experience. So once again, my name is Jordan Warzeka. Please feel free to contact me at Jordan@Backstitch. There's a dot before the CH. On Twitter, I'm at jwarzek, and you can find Backstitch across the web and at Backstitch app on Twitter and Facebook, and at Backstitch on app.net. So, any questions?
Okay, right before we take questions from you guys, there is one detail I forgot to announce. So we have these fancy microphones that are seen between everyone. If you hit the little 0 1 button,